Oh,
Look,
turn to channel 3 to see it.
As soon as I get on that massage table, it'll send me right back to
I'm sorry, they don't get the EAS on my TV.
Get on the tripwires.
I think I have a compromise.
This is an emergency alert message from the city of Elgin. The National Weather Service in Chicago issued a tornado watch through 27 that was previously in effect till 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. The tornado watch is now in effect until midnight Central Standard Time, covering Cook and King County. Elgin Emergency Service is clear at 9:55 p.m. on May 22nd, 2011, KMBX 891.
I'm going to call it